Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have SOJA, I'm not sure how you pronounce that. First time on Growing Guitar, and with Maoli, I just came across this song and I fell for it. It's called Did I Wait Too Long? Probably it's at least 1 week old now, I believe, so maybe I waited a little bit too long, but now we're here. Let's learn together. Cape on third, absolute best snare in my opinion. And by the way, check out this cool guitar I'm using here from Anchor Guitar. You can get one of these very cheap, and you can also get 10% off using my Gordon Guitar 10 to get 10% off at Gordon Guitar. Anchor Guitars, of course. So use my coupon code. Great deal on various shapes and forms and sizes of these cool guitars there. So yeah, let's go into it. We're gonna learn the chords, and we have 3 of them, so not too many. F major 7 is the first one, so we're gonna go with the shorter version. 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. That is the first chord. Next is A minor, and that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And finally we have the G. That goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. Now let's learn the melody first. We're gonna start with the F major 7. Hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play this. So you're gonna play 3rd fret D string together with 1st B, then 2nd G, and 3rd D. A short pause, and then 1st B, 2nd G, 3rd D, and back to 2nd G. So then you shift to the A minor, hold the full chord as it is, and you're gonna play. So open A together with 1st B, 2nd G, 2nd D, a short pause, and then 1st B, 2nd G, 2nd D, and 1st B. Then you go to the G part, and here it's actually enough to just hold the 3rd fret E string in the bass when you play the melody. So I'm gonna play like this. So that means 3rd fret E string in the bass together with open B, then open G, open D, a short pause, and then open B, open G, open D, and open B. And then we have a split in the end there between A minor and G. So A minor part goes like this. So open A together with 1st B, 2nd G, 2nd D, short pause, and then 1st B and 2nd G. And then you shift to G and you play just 2 notes. It's the 3rd fret E string in the bass first, and then open G. That's 1 round. And that goes round and round, a little bit prominent in the beginning of the song, but it's there in the background, so you can choose to go with this melody from the beginning till the very end, like this for 1 round. Yes, that's 1 round. And now we can go and check out the strumming. We can do it in different ways, and it has this reggae style all over it, so we're gonna learn something around that area. Okay, so if we grab the first chord, F major, you're gonna play like this. Okay, so what you do here is to play down, up, clap, up. I think that is the best way to learn this, and then you can skill up and do a little different ways otherwise, but focus on the ups here. So down, up, clap, up. So notice you can also just play the ups, okay? But if you have this down, up, clap, up, you will learn the timing of it, okay? But the ups here are the dominant thing you need to focus on here. So down, up, clap, up. We also need to split this into 2 halves. So the down up is the first part and the clap up is the second part. So what you're going to do here is to play F major 2 full rounds, the down up clap up for 2 rounds, then A minor 2 full rounds, then G 2 full rounds, Then A minor, 1 full round plus part 1, then down up. So down up, clap up, down up, and then you shift to G and play part 1, down up. And that will be 1 chord pressure round. You can stay with that also through entire song. So F major, A minor, G for 2 full rounds, and then A minor, 1 full round plus part 1 and G part 1. Let's do it. That is how I handle it, guys. Did I wait too long? No, I don't think so. And still, here we are. So, thank you for watching SOJA and Maoli. Hope you liked it, guys. Till next time, play tuned.